Hey you guys, it is Chelsea with ChelseaPlans and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a July recap because I know I did not do any plan with me's because I just started my channel. So here is the monthly kit that I got, and I got it from GP Sticker Studio. So this was a 2-page kit, and as you can see I did not use every single sticker, but that's fine. I'm gonna keep these. For my monthly layout, I really just kind of leave it a little bit sparse. Not necessarily on purpose, but I don't really do my planning here. I really just use it for, like in October, obviously not here yet, but I already have stuff pre-planned. So I just use it for, you know, little but important things. My opinion about this kit is that it is amazing. Obviously, GP Sticker Studio is by far one of my favorites. And I just thought the colors in this were beautiful. So yeah, in July, it was kind of a big month. It was the last month of summer break. We had cheer camp. We had professional development start back up. And Shark Week. So let's go ahead and dig in. This is, I believe, it's called Palm Springs. Let me find it. Yes. So it's from Lilly and Miko Designs. Ooh, I had a lot of extra stickers. Yes, I buy deluxe kits, and I will continue to buy deluxe kits, even though I don't use all the stickers. But look, look at how full that is. And I still have. But you guys, I can use some of these will totally work in Christmas. I could reuse these. Alright, my opinion about this kit was that it was very busy. It kind of hurts my eyes. It is not my favorite at all. I also tried putting the weather at the top. Didn't try that again. I don't know, it's just there's a lot going on. This would have been a good July 4th kit because of the colors, but I used it the week before. So yeah, let's see, what did I do this week? I think this was the week before cheer camp, so I kind of just took it easy. Like, I remember I took my niece and her bestie out for a girls' day. That was so fun. But yeah, just a bunch of shopping. Oh, watching Golden Girls, of course. So there is that kit. And here is the kit that I used for the 4th of July. It is from Jackson Pepper. And I will link all of these down below. And here's what I had left over from them, which I actually used some of these in the August monthly. Yeah, because there was only one page for my August monthly. So I pulled this kit out, and I can continue to use these like Valentine's Day. Yeah, that'll work. My opinion about this kit is that I loved it. Absolutely love this kit. I like how it looks. It feels amazing. It's really like buttery soft, which, yeah, I think makes a difference. Like, this one just feels like paper. This one's buttery soft. I really like this. And you can't lose out when you've got some cacti in there. Hold on, Bella wants to get out of my office. Let me open the door for her. There we go. Okay. Didn't have a whole lot going on. Honestly, didn't do anything. I napped on 4th of July. Didn't do a whole lot. It's just too hot. Tennessee has been hot. Okay, and then on Saturday, I went up to Gatlinburg, stayed the night before for cheer camp. So Sunday was day 1. It was awesome. I really enjoyed cheer camp. No, I am not a cheerleader. I'm the cheer coach. Very different. So enjoyed this week. This one I really like, and it is from Lilly and Miko Designs. Same as that first one. And here are the extra, oh, actually, I just found there was another Jackson Pepper page, which I never understood this one. I felt like with that kit, that one was kind of out of place, so I didn't use it. All right, back to this one. This is Lilly and Miko. I don't see the name on it. I want to say it was Bumble or Bumblebee. I think it was Bumble. I really like this one. It's just that paper feel, but this one is so pleasing to the eye. It is beautiful. The colors, oh, I love anything that has pink, green, and blue. I am all about it. So yeah, I still have quite a few. I could do a whole nother week on these, which I might. We'll see. Just buying new kits is so much fun. So yeah, what we had, cheer camp 2, day 2, day 3, and then competition day. And then I came back for one day, and in this 1 week, I had like 2 migraines. It was a rough week. I don't know what caused it. But I had, when I came back, another one. So I just kind of took a day to myself, and then it was right back to work. Summer comes and goes very quickly. So it looks like we had some shopping days. Oh yeah, I painted both of our bathrooms with this black sparkle paint. I found this like gold glitter that's made to be put in paint at Target. So I painted our bathrooms. Nick was all about it. It actually looks really good. And I got the idea when we went to Restoration Hardware. One of their rooms had black sparkle paint. It's amazing. It's like a copper sparkle with a matte black. Ooh, is good. It is really good. All right, so then, oh, this one. So when I showed Nick this one, he was actually kind of impressed. He really, really liked this. So this is from Sweet Ava's paper. And I still have quite a, oh, and look, she has like mermaids in the background. Mermen, I mean. I see this kit in a lot of shops, but I went with her because I like the bottom washi she did. And I also got the next week's kit from her, which is kind of amazing. So yeah, this week, as you can tell, when I went back to work, I kind of had work things to do, and I don't really like to cover this with work. This is my happy place. This is my Chelsea planner. My teacher planner is for work. So this one, oh, like you need to see it up close. Look at how pretty. I love this one so much. It's good. It is good. Okay, so this next week is when Shark Week started. It's kind of amazing. Here you go. So I got on Etsy and I looked at, oh, hold on, found another little sticker sheet. I looked at every single Shark Week kit there was, and some of them were kind of corny. Some of them were like real life pictures of sharks. I don't want that in my planner. I want to keep it light and cute. Some of them were just kind of cheesy. This one is amazing. So it's from Sweet Ava's paper again. And you guys, look at these stickers I didn't even use. I will use them, just haven't yet. I ended up with a lot of extras, which I will use. So it is called Shark Week. Oh, and I didn't tell you, this one is called Sea Tales. I know some people call it like merman or pirate mermaid. Yeah, there were a lot of stickers I didn't use, but you guys look at it. And it's like kind of buttery soft, but the colors, I love this kit. Love it so much. I kind of missed out on a lot of Shark Week because of work. We did go back to work the week before this. But I was kind of impressed. I thought that they didn't try to put as much dramatic episodes in there. Like, I don't watch Shark Week for the drama. I mean, not for like, oh, alien sharks, you know, do they exist? Megalodon. I want to see like great white breaching. I want to see Mako sharks. I'm rambling. But I felt like they went back to what Shark Week is really for, and that's to educate people on sharks. And I think they did a really good job. So yeah, if you are a Shark Week fan, Sweet Avis paper, I would get this for next year. I might get it again for next year. I don't know. And I think, yeah, that's it. I don't do the notes pages because I don't feel like I need to write that much down. Like, I don't also need a notes page. So I may not really use this. I used to put my budget on it, as you could kind of see right here. But I have a whole different planner for budgeting. Yeah, I like to keep my things separate. So that is what I used for July. I like that I still have extras. And I will link all of these below. And I hope you saw some good stuff that you might want to use in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.